Hey there, I'm Stefano. These days, now more than ever, fleet teams are being asked to move faster and justify each decision. Prioritize the right maintenance, delay low priority items until they can be bundled, keep your work moving, and ensure your system's set up for success. This quarter, we focused on helping you move faster in those moments, with more context, less guesswork, and fewer manual steps in between. This quarter, we focused on creating built-in intelligence with our AI Service Advisor. Fleet management is becoming too complex to run manually. More data, more decisions, more pressure to move faster without making mistakes. AI has the potential to change that, but only if it's applied where the work actually happens. Service Advisor is Fleetio's practical intelligence layer for maintenance, designed to cut through the noise and focus your team on the work that actually matters. As issues come in, Service Advisor automatically prioritizes them based on risk and historical patterns. So instead of sorting through a backlog, you immediately see what's critical, what's routine, and what can wait. From there, Service Advisor carries that same clarity into repair decisions. It evaluates repair orders in real time through our maintenance shop network, providing an acceptable, requires review, or unacceptable rating based on cost anomalies, duplicate services, and inconsistencies. So your team isn't stuck reviewing every service looking for what needs attention. What's routine can move through approval faster. Fleets using Service Advisor in early access have reduced approval time, resolved issues faster, and seen assets spend 16% fewer hours in the shop. Now in open beta, Service Advisor moves your entire operation forward with confidence and consistency. We also realized that we can help improve efficiency by keeping the work moving without the handoff. Fleet maintenance doesn't happen in isolation. One job often leads directly to the next. With work order automations, you can now automatically create follow-up work based on how work progresses. So when a job is completed, like replacing tires, you can instantly trigger the next step, like a retorque service, without relying on someone to remember. We also expanded automation capacity across professional and premium plans, so you can automate more of the repeatable work that keeps your fleet running. And now, service entries are a part of automations, so workflows can trigger the moment work is logged, updated, or completed. That means fewer status checks, fewer manual updates, and less time chasing what should happen next. We took a new approach to systems that adapt to how your fleet works. No two fleets are structured the same, and your system should reflect that. With the new field management experience, you can now organize and customize how data appears across vehicles, contacts, and tools. Create layouts that match how your team works, group fields in a way that makes sense, and even tailor views by vehicle type. So instead of working around your system works around you, keeping records clean, consistent, and easier to navigate. And here's some other continued improvements that add up in a big way. Shared dashboards and advanced analytics let you share custom dashboards with your team so everyone is aligned on the same metrics without rebuilding reports from scratch. Enhanced operator assignments and inspection workflows automatically assigns or unassigns drivers based on inspections, keeping records accurate without the extra admin work. We've also expanded the shop network with new partners including Nissan and Mercedes-Benz dealerships across the US, and great Canadian oil change locations across Canada, giving your fleet more reliable service options while keeping everything centralized in Fleetio. These features are live now. If you want to see them in action, schedule a personalized demo at fleetio.com/demo or reach out to your customer success manager.